RIB CostX estimating software review. So RIB CostX is one of the leading estimating and takeoff software tools in the construction industry, built for professionals who need accurate and efficient project cost management. Unlike traditional spreadsheets, CostX combines powerful digital takeoff features with live linked estimating, which makes it easier to update costs instantly as a project details change. The interface is designed with professionals in mind. You can import 2D drawings or 3D BIM models, perform on-screen takeoffs, and generate detailed estimates all within the same platform. This integration helps reduce errors and save a huge amount of time compared to manual methods. One of the standout features is the automatic linking between measurements and cost databases. If you update a quantity, the cost adjusts automatically, a massive advantage when working on complex projects. The reporting tools is strong, letting you create professional customizable reports for clients or internal teams. On the plus side, RIB CostX is accurate, efficient, and integrates well with modern BIM workflows. On the downside, though, the learning curve can be steep for beginners, and it's definitely investment geared more towards medium to large firms rather than small contractors. But overall, RIB CostX is a top tier estimating solution that delivers speed, precision, and reliability.